It's story time! Farm Play by Alyssa Liang. I am a piglet. I roll. I am a puppy. I jump. I am a lamb. I skip. I am a goose. I dance. I am a rabbit. I hop. I am a duckling. I paddle. Let's read. Piglet. Roll. Puppy. Jump. Lamb. Skip. Goose. Dance. Rabbit. Hop. Duckling. Paddle. Let's do the activities.
Activity 1. Color the pictures. Say the name of each animal.
Rabbit. Goose. Lamb. Piglet. Duckling. Puppy.
Activity 2. Trace the dots to find all the animals. What does each animal do?
The piglet rolls. The goose dances. The duckling paddles. The puppy jumps. The lamb skips. The rabbit hops.
Activity 3. Help the animals find each other. Match them with the same color.
Rabbit. Goose. Lamb. Piglet. Duckling. Puppy.
Activity 4. Say the sound of each letter. Color the picture that begins with the same sound.
D. Duckling. G. Goose. P. Puppy.
Activity 5. Test your understanding of the story. Say the name of each animal and what it does.
Duckling. The duckling paddles. Goose. The goose dances. Rabbit. The rabbit hops. Lamb. The lamb skips. Puppy. The puppy jumps. Piglet. The piglet rolls.